Rugby League.
Hudson lassoed by talent. Look at talent.
On James Maloney.
Oh! A big hit by this cranky man.
The Sydney Roosters.
Ladies and gentlemen, your champions, the Sydney Roosters.
Speed Force. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, look up The Flash. You can walk through walls, you can fly, you can obviously travel in time. Well, of course it's pasta.
In the machine, yes? Up, and look, here it comes. It's almost like going to the hairdresser, isn't it? That nice fringe.
The moon. The Godfather.
I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse.
John Wick. I mean, he killed 3 guys with a pencil. Who does that? Predominantly dance music. Dead Mouse. Yes, I do. Phantom 4.
The Phantom 4. What are you gonna do with it?